Hello, this is B Matthew, and today I'm back with a topic. And as a topic, we will discuss about a function, right? In Unit 1 Algebra, which is the topic for actual math for class 10, right? So, function, whatever thing is called a function, we'll try to know that at first, right? इसके बारे में क्या है? To be a function वाला क्या चाहिए? A must, that is the set A, this set A must associated with the unique element of set B. That means the every element should of set A should have only one element in the set B. Right? Unique means only one. So for example, let us try to look okay now how does the definition clear out with the figure. So first is the example of function and just make it answer. In set A we have got the first element, that is 1, second element as 2, and third it is 3. Then here if you can see in the B and B madam, we have got only one element of 1, similarly only one element of 2, that is 4, only one element of 3, that is 9. Right, this should be applicable. That means every element of A should have a element in B, but only one element हुने पर्यो तर के एउटा मात्रै है त. But if you look at here, we have got here A, B, C, again E, F, G, H. This could be also called a function, because if you look at it clearly by the definition, A must have an image or element in B, but it is not sure. I know we do not need element of B in A. B को A मा चाहिए ना, तर A को B मा चाहिए है. त्यही भएर के यहाँ A has got an element in B, B has got an element like F, C has got G, but we do not have got any other element in A. And A मा element छैन, जसको लागि अर्को element चाहिए. तर के छ in B we have got extra element H, and we do not prefer with B है. B सँग prefer गर्दैन. Whatever be there in B, H, I, J, K, that will be a function, right? Because we will just look under A. A must have got an element in B. But if you look at here, I look at here, A has got 1, 1 has got the element 4. Similarly, 2 को इनके साथ 2 has got the element 4. If you look at here carefully, then we can see that 1 has only one element, right? And 2 also has got only one element, and they are associated with the same. And एउटैसँग के जोडे छ, त्यसको मतलब यो हैन कि they have got different element हैन, they have got only one element but आफ्नो हैन. 4 कसको 1 को नि हो, 4 कसको 2 को नि हो, तर एउटा हो नि त. 1 has got only one element, 2 को नि के छ, it has got only one element. Similar 3 also has got only one element. So why it follows the definition of function. Similarly, if you look at here, we have got 3 elements associated with the same number. The same concept is applied here. 1 is associated with 4, again 2 associated with 4, 3 is also associated with 4. But here if you look at here, 1 has got only one element, 2 has got only one element, 3 has got only one element. So that's why it is called a function. And we have already learned that we do not associate with B, we do not look under B. Again, if there is any other extra element in B and कुनै extra छ भने element त्यसलाई हेर्दैनौँ, still that will be considered as a function, है. यता पछाडिपट्टि हैन रेन्जमा जतिवटा एलिमेन्ट भए पनि एक्स्ट्रा त्यसलाई हामीले फंक्सनमै गर्छौँ. This was a function, but के हुन्छ, if we are not clear, then we will be clear while we are looking at why it's not a function. What type of thing is not called a function? In this here, look at it. 1 has got a unique element, only one element in B. 2 has got only one element in B, but 3 doesn't have got element in B. And 3 को के छ, B मा गएर केसमा जोड्दा छैन है. This 3 is extra in A. So that's why, look at it. Again to the definition, A must associated with B, every element of B. So, but here, look at here, the element of A, that is 3, is not associated with any other thing, it's not connected with any other thing. So that's why this is not considered to be as function. Reason, because A is not, right, that is the element 3 of A. Jun A ko element 3 cha, the element 3 of A is not associated with B. That's why it is not a function. Similarly, if you look at here, in A, right, we are told that it has got only one element, but look at here, it has got 2 elements. according to definition it has told a must associate with unique element, that is only one element only एउटा सँग चाहिँ जोडिन पर्यो है. But if you look at here a, the element a of set है जुन सेटको element a छ that is associated with two element in b, that is a के छ c सँग जोडिरहेछ, त्यही a के छ b सँग जोडिरहेछ, that is it has got two image है दुईटा इमेज छ. त्यही भएर के भन्नु पर्यो, it is not a function because the element a, again यो element a of set a is associated with, which connected with more than two element, दुईटा भन्दा बढीसँग के छ कनेक्टेड भएर बसिरहेछ है. and this one the same, it has got a unique element है. यसले although it will follow again then this element is not following the rule, जुन यो अरूपट्टिको एलिमेन्ट छ त्यसले रुल फलो गरिरहेको छैन, त्यही भएर it is not a function. Similarly यहाँ पनि के छ, we have got extra b, that also doesn't follow the rule because b doesn't have got a association, and b is not connected to anything in b है. और यो b सेटमा कसैसँग पनि कनेक्टेड छैन. सो के भन्नु त, सो दिस इज नट अ फंक्शन. के भन्यो त अब, दिस इज द रिलेसन बिट्विन टू सेट्स. what are the given sets a and b है त. so these are called function and these are not the function. hope you understand this. This is smart for today. Thank you.